A business development company, or BDC, is an extension of the sales team in a car dealership. But what do they do and how do they work? Let's talk about it. I'm Bruce Walker, and you're watching BotSplash TV. Car dealerships expect their sales teams to be selling the vehicles on the dealer's lot. They want them meeting with customers, taking test drives, and working with them to find the right car or truck that meets the customer's needs. That's where the BDC comes in. A BDC may be an in-house team or a third-party contracted company that will answer calls, emails, web chats, texts, and more, freeing the on-site sales team to focus on the customer. BDCs will typically set appointments and monitor communications after hours so the dealership doesn't miss potential customers. When the calls aren't coming in, the rep will be on the phone returning calls and setting appointments for the sales and service teams. The goal for a BDC is to create more sales and service opportunities for the dealerships. And they use inbound and outbound best practices, and yes, BotSplash has the capability to manage that and sync to the dealer CRM and other systems, ensuring that regardless of the tech stack, all systems work seamlessly. For more information about BotSplash and how it can help your team, check us out at botsplash.com. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. I'm Bruce Walker. Thanks for watching BotSplash TV.